are human and nature makes us sick. Beast will cure us. The beast doesn't care. Not for us. Neither do humans care for us. They only care for themselves. They are obsessed by the god of the self. They are obsessed by their mirror image. They are obsessed by their plans for their future. Plans for their future. But because of them and their selfishness, there is no future. Women enticing us into slavery with their lips and all the rest. What time is it in your mind? It's time for a big, big change. For a new humanity. Stop posing! Stop living simulations of lives, but start living real lives. I said stop living simulations of lives and start living real lives. These are real lives. These are real lives. These are real lives. These are real lives. In prison. In prison. In prison. In prison. Animals. Humans. In prison. In prison. In prison. And we're always in prison. Mental, physical, prison. It's a prison. Life is a prison. We cannot fly, we cannot soar. We cannot be a bird. We need birds, we need birds, we need birds. insatiably sick, insatiably sick mind, insatiably sick time. We need birds for the brain. We need birds for the brain. Birds for the brain. We need birds. We need birds. Birds for the brain. Birds for the brain. We need birds for the brain. Oh no. Help us, the birds will help us. They will help us, and the birds will help us. The birds will help us. They'll help us. They'll help us. Oh, get away from mouths. We'll get away from the rules given out by mouths. Get away from the rules given out by mouths. Mouths. The birds will help us. The birds will help us go down. The birds will help us go up. The birds will help us escape and change. Escape ourselves. The birds will help us escape ourselves and change. Become real. We can become real if we listen to the birds. We can become real if we listen to the birds. Listen to the birds. And stop posing. Stop pretending. Stop simulating existence. We can be real. We can be real if we stop pretending to be what we are not. I am, oh no, you yes,